Merit SI, innovative, reliable, industrial-grade solar.
I'm standing in the middle of our solar field, which is under construction. It's a 4-megawatt field, and we're very excited to get it going. I'm Jonathan Slass. I'm the co-president of Rotor Clip Company, a manufacturer in central New Jersey. We make fasteners called retaining rings that hold things together the same way a nut and a bolt would hold something together. We serve many markets: automotive, agricultural, off-road, the oil and gas market, the wind energy market. Really, there are many, many markets we serve. Anywhere a bearing is used, anywhere something spins. There are many reasons why we decided to go with solar. The number one reason was cost. We are under constant pressure to raise salaries to our employees and also lower prices to our customers. Another major advantage to us by putting solar in, we're in effect locking our utility rates. We guarantee ourselves for the rest of the life of this project that we'll save that money. Merit came to us and brought a lot of expertise and experience. It was very, very important to us because it gave us the confidence to know that the subcontractors that we chose together would be able to get the job done as promised. We've been very happy with Merit. Merit has kept all of their promises. They said they'd have a person on the job almost from the beginning, and they absolutely did that. When issues have come up, they've been able to help us get them resolved by giving their expertise and their opinion on which way they would choose to solve a problem. It's been a very good relationship because they brought the experience of the utility scale project down to our size. Throughout this experience, it's become obvious to us that Merit has become our trusted partner and really reassured us that we made the correct decision.
Merit SI, solar PV innovation, utility scale reliability.